Do you believe that somewhere controlling your union can guarantee you that you come together with your twin flame? Take a deep breath and try to understand that where control truly is coming from. Control is your ego trying to grab an outcome on the outside. It tries to grab this outcome because to your ego it feels that this outcome will guarantee love. And this is exactly what it tries to do with your twin flame also. Let's try to understand this deeper. When you feel that feeling of divine love with someone, your ego wants to control that experience and make you chase the person on the outside so that you can have that love within. That love is not going away from you, and that's why it makes you chase them, obsess over them, and get the assurance from them that you are twin flames. But your journey, your twin flame journey, does not move forward if you remain in this energy of control. Control cannot guarantee union because it's an energy of separation. It is ego that is trying to get love on the outside because it's not aware of the love, it's not aware of the union already in your heart right now. The moment you become aware of the truth within you, the divine within you, and the union that is already there in your heart with God, you will be able to peacefully release attachment to your twin flame, release your worries, release your fears, and relax back into your heart space. This relaxing, this receiving is what actually guarantees your twin flame union. So, if you're still holding on to control unknowingly, understand that it's just stemming from a place of separation within you, and it can never help you ground into union. To understand that why you're holding on to control is a journey in itself. There are multiple experiences that you may have had throughout your life, which may have made you believe that love exists outside of you, and that is why you have been trying to control your circumstances and get love from outside. This Sunday, that is the 1st of Feb, which is also the snow moon, I am holding a workshop on releasing control. I invite you to attend this workshop and experience what releasing control and allowing love into your consciousness feels like. You can find the details in the description box below, and if you feel the nudge in your heart to come join the space with me, then it will be my utmost honor to help you magnetize your twin flame through this workshop. So feel into your heart, feel into the union that is calling you to embody it completely, and say yes to the voice of love. The moment you say yes to the voice of love, this is when control will start losing its identity, and your identity will ground more and more into the union consciousness. And as you become more loving, more divine, you will feel God moving through you and make your union happen for you. And the biggest truth of the twin flame journey of your existence is that you are actually seeking the union that you have with God through your twin flame. And to relax into this union, you have to let go of control and surrender to the flow of love that is already there in your heart. So make a choice to release what is not serving you and say yes to the voice of God in your heart and allow your union to unfold.